We've talked a lot about foundation repair and how important it is, but today let's dive into the actual process. Once you've noticed foundation damage, we'll inspect your home, both outside and inside, looking for visible and hidden signs. With this data, we create a plan to fix the problem areas. We dig holes around and under your foundation to access the areas that need repair. We start placing the piers. These are what will lift your home back to its original level. The piers can be made of steel or concrete, depending on your home's specific needs. We use a hydraulic pump to drive the piers deep into the soil until we hit bedrock or reach 9,000 psi. That's when we know we're solid. Then we lift. As a wise Jedi once said,
"This is where the fun begins."
One of our key tools for this is the zip level, a high-precision device that measures elevation changes across your house. One team member stays inside your home with the zip level, while the rest of the team is outside, pumping the jacks that lift the house. The person inside watches the zip level, guiding the team until the house is perfectly level. Once the house is lifted, we install steel shims between the piers and the beams, securing everything in place. We double check everything and make sure the house is stable. After that, we fill in the tunnels and holes. This can take some time as we need to make sure the soil is properly packed to avoid future settling. We even leave the soil piled a little higher, knowing it will settle over time. Finally, we clean everything up, replant any removed vegetation, and leave your home looking just as good, if not better, than when we arrived.